Okay, what's going on, peoples? So, I just made a couple other videos of me getting the engine out and getting this thing all good and cleaned up and everything. Hey, kitty. Maybe what's up? What's up, kitty cat? Yes. Yes, I know. Just need attention, I know. Yes, go that way. Alright. So, I'm gonna get the other wheels off of here. I want to get the wheels cleaned up too, and that way I can get cleaned up a little bit in and around the suspension and all that kind of stuff. And I put the towel down here just so I can do that, not lose anything through the cracks. Yeah, see how dirty those are in there? They need to get cleaned. And it's starting to get dark out, so I'm not going to be able to do this for much longer. Probably realistically only going to get to maybe cleaning up the rest of this and maybe I can work on getting the engine in. I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to make sure this is frickin' line up. Should, right? That lines up with that. And such thing. And that was there. I can't remember. Those need spacers. I know this side had a spacer. The other side had one. Is that medium? No. Oh no. No, I don't. Okay, so the other side doesn't need it. Okay, I thought the other one took spacers. It doesn't take spacers. No, it doesn't. You can see the square edge. Okay, good. Alright, so that would just go on like so. And over there. Perfect. Cool. Alright. Yep. Munching out here. I'm hungry. I gotta say, these wheat thins are amazing. These are the spinach and roasted garlic ones. They're really good with cheese and crackers, or cheese, pickles, and like a what do you call it? One of those not bratwurst. Oh, I can't remember, but you know what I'm getting at. Anyway, I'm sure. Anyway, let me give this a quick little clean up here, and then we'll get on to retrofitting my engine. So how was your long weekend, guys? What do you guys all dress up for Halloween? If you are, if your kids are, what are you taking them out for? Drop comments down below, guys. What's your plans for this Halloween? I was gonna go out walk around with my daughter, but she's got about 8 of her friends that she wants to go around with, so I'm gonna do the sit at home and hand out candy thing. That I will be getting a couple videos of. I got a whole whack of Christmas presents. Wow, I hate Christmas, and I got that on the mind. I got a whole whack of Halloween decorations I gotta throw up, so it's not gonna be like the haunted houses I used to do. But my mom and I decided to go spend about $2,000, maybe $2,200, and get stuff for decorations for the house. Because she's big into her Halloween decorating and all that stuff, but she's been decorating my sister's house because that's where my sister lives, and there's a lot more kids in that neighborhood, so they've been decorating my sister's house because my mom's really hard to get around and do that kind of stuff anymore. So she's got a really bad knee, and she's put on a bit of weight. She's diabetic and all that stuff, and she's just gotten out of surgery. She's got to go and get a knee replacement done, all that kind of jazz. So she hasn't really been too mobile to do that kind of stuff. So I'm getting done at my sister's place instead. But this year, now that I'm back, and since I love Halloween too, my mom agreed that if I'm going to hand out candy here, that we're going to decorate the house up. So. And my mom's she's got a bit of a twisted sense of humor like I do. Like, she's an old biker. And so a lot of her decorations have to do with Harley Davidson, but those ones are at my sister's for the most part. Like, she's got Grim Reapers on Harley Davidson trikes in the front yard, like great big ones and stuff like that. But, yeah, so she's like, we're gonna have like dead babies hanging in trees and shit like that out front here. And so I'll be getting videos of all that stuff, me my pictures of it, me putting it all up and all that kind of stuff. Got like a skeleton Grim Reaper thing that's all Bluetooth, it plays music and stuff like that, so yeah, get the Monster Mash going. Okay, she is looking good, guys. She's looking real good. I've been fucking wanting to get this done a lot sooner. I've been procrastinating, to say the least. Really bad for that. Like, I've had this engine for almost a week now. I'm only getting around to doing it as of today. But whatever. That Windex works really good, actually, I gotta say. Let's get a little time check here. And we were at 8 minutes, 55 seconds. But yeah, take a look at this, guys. This is just using Windex. Like, that looks, let me turn the light on here. There we go. Like, that's looking pretty good for just using Windex. All this here is all scratches that can't come off. I've tried. Same with all this stuff on the sides here. It's all scratches from rocks and stuff. So, but aside from that, she's looking pretty good and clean. She's looking good. All right. Well, I think next is gonna have to be the gas tank. So we'll get that started on that. And we'll get you back on momentarily. Okay, guys, so I got the gas tank all cleaned up here. Now, forewarning, don't do what I just did because it was having a hard time getting some of it off of there. I went and used my barbecue brush, and it spread around more than just the dirt that I was trying to get off of there. That's for dang sure. But it came out pretty good, actually, for how old this is. This is a 20-year-old gas tank, and it's still in good condition. This is a little dirt stained, but aside from that, it's all cleaned up, good to go. I just gotta through the ouch. What the heck did I sit on? That hurt. That hurt a lot. What am I sitting on? Oh man, I don't know what those are off of there. Oh, they're off of this thing. Oh, ow! They're like freaking ow. Okay, those hurt. They're like freaking, what do you call it? Burrs almost. I don't know what they are, but they hurt. There's a lot of them. And I shot him. Ow. Ow. Anyway, I'm gonna get this box here cleaned up here and everything like that. It's getting pretty dark out, and I know the camera's not picking it up, but all you can hear all around me is the constant buzz of the gigantic swarm of mayflies. They're not mayflies. Well, they're like mayflies, but and they're not mosquitoes either, but they're fish flies. That's what they are. They look like a mosquito, but they're not a mosquito. And there's just clouds of them everywhere. It's really, yeah. Like if I could, if you could pick them up on the camera, I'd show you. But trust me, they're just above the trees here, and then you won't be able to pick them. I won't be able to pick them up on the camera. I'd show you, but I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you've seen it before. Alright, well, there's the battery, receiver, and servo box all cleaned up. It is getting dark out, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. And I gotta go and get these burrs out of my pants or change to something else. Oh yeah, look at them all. You see them all there in my pants? See all these things here? They're weird. They look like little tiny leaves, but on the end of them, if you can see that, they got these little spikes on them, and they're coming off of my tree right here. This thing, which I didn't notice until now. I think they're coming off of this. Or no, they're coming off of this thing. Coming off of this thing behind it. Yeah. Oh, ladybug out in here. Oh, excuse me. But anyhow, guys, that's it for now. I got this girl. I got the engine out of her. The old one there, the new one there. She's looking all good and cleaned up. The gas tank's looking all good and cleaned up. Hump battery box and receiver and all that's looking all good and cleaned up. I didn't get to the wheels yet. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in watching me continue on with this rebuild, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell to get more videos like this in the future as well. And for when these drop, I got 3 videos that I'll be dropping. This one and 2 others. This will be the 3rd of the 3. And then I'll be out here tomorrow to continue on with the rest of it. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'm Derek, this is Life in the RC. Remember, guys, stay safe and happy bashing.